Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with a set of 20x12 Moto Metal 978 razors and some 37 1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply. Now these Moto Metal 978 wheels are offered in a satin black with a milled window finish or a satin black with a red milled window finish, meaning everything that's silver right here would be red. These 37 1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply, I absolutely love them. They're very similar to an RT tire, however, Fury sells them as a mud terrain tire. They've got a very aggressive tread pattern, however, they ride relatively well. Especially for the price point, you cannot beat them. Besides that, sometimes they take a little bit to balance, but after you get them balanced, they're good to go. With that being said, this wheel is a relatively edgy wheel. It's not the most modest and subtle wheel, however, it will get a lot of looks and turn a lot of heads, especially if you get that red mill. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's tires, the wheels, the spare tire carrier, lift kit, anything like that, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.